usisi uthi vele sisitike with the name ka Go Slow. Uthi whenever masifuna ukuyibiza and then sibiza nge-Go Slow. What I was choosing the project yase farm ihambe kahle kube unyaka right uharvesta. Uthi I was choosing umlungu afonele uMazibuko athi did you see i-payment nasenze kahle. uMazibuko uthi uMazibuko angayibonanga. Uthi uMazibuko athi angayibonanga athi please check your bank account, check your bank balance kahle ubone ukuthi how much have I sent you. Uthi uMazibuko makathi claps uthathi inkama ayisaze savuka yavuka imambala uthi the excitement kulabona uthi the excitement kaMazibuko vele wajabula and uthi makangikhombisa like the bank balance or akibona the zeros ela. With like I was so excited to ngibona ukuthi this thing iyasebenza. Uthi awushozi Go Slow asingamsebenzisanga that much because say like ke whole first process ukuthi I respect umlungu, I respect uMazibuko. Uthi after imali ngena uthi afonele uMakhosi amtshela ukuthi izinto zihambe kahle ngiyabonga baba, I will send the remaining balance lebe ngokoloda yona. Hayi bathu baba vele naye abe excited athi ngiyabonga mani appreciate umsebenzi wami. Or I was choosing fanele ukuthi phela ba dividelana ngiri like ngithola i family but my husband uyolida phambili kumele ukuthi ba dividelana uthi ihusband ami icale kuba great sikabona lama zero abona le mali memona ukuthi bathola bo 25 bonke. So my husband wala bathu barobala ngina up and down so they want to get the share elengane yami no ngeke ngivume ara call family meeting uthi sizokhulumisana ukuthi kahle imali sizonikazana kanjani yabona. Uthi awushozi abize i-family meeting Mazibuko our brothers wakhe ayi2 ekibo Mazibuko by 4 so like 3 brothers ne 1 sister. Uthi the sister ushadile like ibi like imali ebili bangakhuluma izinto eziningi then kune second born and third born abo bhuti nabasebabadala. Uthi husband ami first born so kena athwarang everything ya family. Uthi vele babize uthi makababiza vele abatshela ukuthi sisebenzile so madoda because of him ngiyale ka lawyer ka maphepha ka inkilwa likhwalela so mina I've decided ukuthi mina I'm going to take 50% and then nina nizodividelana le 50% esalayo litlabona gore lefana guys either nina niphana 10 usisi nimupha 5 cause na niphana 20 usisi nimupha 10 man sorry and then mina ngithatha i-50%. Uthi hayi impisuke lapho abantu bangasazwana sekaliwa phela manje sokaliwa kubangiwa enkubakiwa chelete sokaliwa akusazwana ke manje the second born or half akasije amtshela ukuthi no yazi ukuthi ukuze lo mlungu abelana khona today because of nakena nekirari up and down lena lu jona no linya kotsa chelete kana laka it will never happen. What I was vele kuliwe family uthi le third born nalo usisi yena akazingeni kahle I don't want to lie ebila ngifuna ukufaka izindabeni sisi akazingeni uthi sisi whatever decision abayithathayo yena uhappy nayo akanyakotsa nalidaba tse asaditsebeng and then this lona right akasi right makunalo makunalo mdala like kilimene yabona athi urwela which side. So uthi Mazibuko vele asho so uthi vele kuliwe ne second born kuliwe vele uMazibuko vele uthanyanya athi imali ngeke nizithola mana sesengayime ngeke nizinithola up until lirekona ka agreement so as long as singavumelani imali ngeke nithola angeke nithola. Uri awushozi kwabaqala ke kusonana kwaba siblings uri neke thomo ubona letlhoyo labathu banyanyitsene bamunyibele balishiyelana yini ngesipedi ona lokho aba uthi bengicela ukubona the way bebalwa uthi bekuliwa awushozi bekuliwa kunxaphela kungasakhulunyiswani uri bawole fight ngibona ukuthi laba bazobulala nekugcineni because now sekubangiwa imali una hanore like first payment this thing isazorana ngisho isazorana so the first payment mining means ukuthi if ever like production like production year or production as a farming ihamba kahle each and every year it means sizothola like ama payments are right yabona according to umlungu ukhulumisa ukuthi umlungu uyakubosa according to uyakubosa or awushozi kucale uthi one time sisendlini kube nomuntu ofuna ukucikeza ngene endlini uthi ashaya ama bullet phezulu ucithana nahambe uthi umuntu wami arabona ekitrete engiyatsorotla goma itshoma get ready itwa uBenjamin so to second born itwa uBenjamin umpakisha chelete and chelete ka secret mara ke chelete ka secret wonkwa yabona uthi ngibona ukuthi yabona this thing say build up ulaka from my husband and remember ukuthi nesinani no go slow and if go slow or parade should you go mashakala yabona uthi the following devil avukala noBenjamin athi if ufuna ukungibulala ari just thunya sawo kusebemi usikarumele tsabatho ga ka batho thunya sithunya kushiwa wonkwa ke just thunya sawo kusebemi untunye yabona uthi I was just like ube fighting I'm there witnessing everything uthi ngimcela ukuthi no guys like lebana bamotho man like bolela khulumisanani kahle lebana bamotho bana bamotho ba roganya ba sharela na hlogo ya tshia ubona uthi like ngithayi ba motivate ukuthi no man it's not all about money ke business asibe ne agreement ukuthi niyenza kanjani so this thing ukuthi khona ukustoppa yileni ukuthi senihalo libanga imali or I was choosing kuliwe kanjalo umyeni wamangena emotweni athi lo ngizomkhomba lo ahanzibi ura awusoze masifike endlini afike vele athi go slow ari mosikara kasigalele pa ambiza go slow emina ngambiza ebusuku ambize mina athi amtshela ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi uye kuphi kasibani bani umntwana seyithi uBenjamin ari ningikhona awusoze angisube ngikhona abari kuchelete ke sathani itshentsha moto olukile imgenge emoya umuwa sathani uri mina ngibone ngwamumini uthi amtshela ukuthi athi lijaji halidikela hambe aye kaBenjamin alanda uBenjamin uthi uBenjamin ambulale urumfuna file endleleni yakhe asuke endleleni yakhe kodwa awusoze chelete ayafetha lebeki accounting but abantu bebasele balwa to an extent ukuthi sekufuna ukukhitha idumbu uthi bengibona ukuthi uBenjamin uzoqashela abantu ukuthi babulala umyeni wami and umyeni wami nengayazi aqasha abantu because already sinesilwane ngendini or asamone uthi uGhosto okhuluma naye akaphenduli if something uzoyenza uvela kuqabheke phansi but when you just say whatever you want then yena uzoyigcina lento efunayo awuthayi mina vele ngizilalele awusoze or awusivuke ngabo 3 sivusa ifoni ngakhala ukuthi uBenjamin ushonile but bamthola azihenge emthini so this thing imhenge ka rope maybe imhengile ka rope because bathi bamthola azihenge emthini and of which uBenjamin bengengazazi henge emthini ukuthi kunemali waiting for him yabona ibe kanjalo ke emphakathini ukuthi umuntu uzihengile in uthi uBenjamin abuye endlini or awushozi like ngifeel ukuthi now sesibaba thakathe family uri manje sengiyabona ukuthi sesiyathakatha as family members uthi vele angayiveli lapha yana family angayina semnqobeni because my course instructor ukuthi ungayi lapho don't involve yourself kulezi zinto lezo because izo backfire lento yenze lapha yana or awushozi vele asaya and good kuvele kube ukuthi ngoba sibazi ukuthi bayacabana so akafuna ukuba involve ifamily ingamsuspecting anything because of uguy uzihengile emthini ngaphandle kwakhe or awushozi umncwabo ondlula after umncwabo odlula uthi one time mangilele uthi silele one time mangilele or awushozi athi I think it's fanele sibize family meeting sizokhuluma le ndaba because manje sesisele si3 yabona so sizokhuluma le ndaba le so manje kushuthi mina manje ngizobatshela ukuthi vele ithi ngiyirana 50% yami and then bona bazosharelana ke le isalayo if abazwani naketla bona ukisa shifting decision uthi ayi ku family meeting uthi the lady awusoze athi mina ngiphani 10% angifuni ukuningi ngiphani 10% asilike kule 10% bekazoyithola initially eqaleni uthi mina ngiphani 10% and then lena uthi nishara kanjani le 90% ethel akinya kulo and isikambotsha angifuni ukuthi mangicabana ngifake indaba ensini idile kanjalo so uthi lona ngoba imenemene so uma nalo ukuthi hayi nami imali ngilweli ini na abuti ehobona ngori intikani utlamfa yona uthi my husband athathi 70 apheloni 20 apheloni 30% ibe like that kube officially afune ilawyer i-draft ne contract ukuthi from now on yena uyothatha 70% labo umunye uthatha 20% thatha 30 uthi be kanjalo uthi brothers vele azithulele but wona ukuthi akasi right the sisters behanga asifuni vele uba involved or awusozi ucabanga ukuthi mina ngomama zalo uthi imali engenile uthi mama zalo closer samthengela igezi simthengela everything I need sabe samborela namanzi because of beribona or mama zalena abantu ba involved because arli lifasilela ke labkhadi bagage and the husband washona so imini ukuthi umhlaba lo wabantwana bakhe so yena akafuna uba involved or awusozi isikhathi sahamba uthi one day after a week after sekwenzekile kwama-agreement stuff siyathola ama-shares wakhe amaningi. Uthi silele awusho uthi asilele uthi the first time masizwa or awushozile sasikhathi solanda lento le ne uthi ngazwa kwaba ngathi umntwana like ugijima ngaphandle mawulele yabona. Uthi the very same sound engayizwa lesasikhathi uthi ngiyayizwa. Uthi ngimani ngithi hayi man uthi ngilele no my husband nayo lele uthi ngizwe futhi awushozi angivula amehlo go slow like ulana roomini like looking at me. Uthi ngivulisa uMazibuko uyibone. Uthi vele ngibona go slow. Uthi uMazibuko naye mbona yabona. Uthi hamba ukuthi ufunani la wena hamba uhlala la uhlala khona go slow awushozi asatsamaya. Ayememo are like ke mbete wa rona lo samisitse ko lebotong ko una le headboard ko lebotong. Uthi mina ngilele this side of the bed my husband lele ngale. Uthi go slow ngapha on my side. Uthi go slow angahambi. Uthi my husband athi hamba la angahambi. Uthi indoda ngicabanga ukuthi no what let me call uMakhosi ngimthe ukuthi lento le like yes actela ke manje we don't know ukuthi ifuna ini. Uthi afonele uMakhosi ngitshela ukuthi nayi into isisayidini umbhedo omkama ayifuna uhamba ayikhulumi immediately what's going on. Or awushozi uMakhosi asho athi lento le yanisebenzela ngisho njengathi mina izofuna ama sacrifices and the first sacrifice ebatlang kona ebatla msadi hao and ebatla gore msadi hao babe together and in front of you. Or awushozi Mazibuko athi angeke izeyenzeke lento lo Makhosi angeke izeyenzeke asangisizwane kanjalo. Mazibuko was like mina asked you first ngathi uzokhona na wathisa ngabuza umfazi wakho ukuthi uzokhona na wathisa. So izinto benivumelana ngazo akhona anje kuqelana bekuyini yabona. Uthi lento leyo if ever ningayiphinde ifunayo izonilimaza nangeke kube mnandi. Now izawili iyacela athi now iyacela yabona ukuthi ihleli lapho iyangicela. So now if you're not going to commit to ipromise ukuthi nizoyiqhokomela izonilimaza. Or awushozi that night azangisize silale because my husband was like you are not going to do that nalenduli angeke. Uthi asingalalanga solo sihleli sibukile nayiguqile isibukile. Uthi azangisilale kwaze kwasa. Or awushozi lento lena beshola ukuthi sibona masingabizi go slow siyayibona. Uthi lelo langa azangizi disappear nesemini bekhona. Or awushozi risatso rire bang because I shifty ayisho next imile on the side of the bed. Uthi imile iguqile ikhipha amehlo wakhona arid ayisho next. Awushozi my husband had to go somewhere else. So sasabe ukuthi sishiye endlini ikhona. Uthi ngathi mina ngizosala. So husband was like no masihamba sonke izosala la endlini usigibele imoto sihambe. Or awushozi record le ngisigibele like ibhaki uthi imoto ka yami i-double cab uthi sa driver sehamba. Or masijika soyithu sithemuva uGoslo uhlele sofeni uthi usibheke so like both like utsenejwang aketsebi but like he was there. Uthi umyeni amisi imoto side afonela uMakhosi athi Makhosi amtshela athi as long as ungayinikeza into efunayo izohamba nawo yonke indawo uzoyibona each and everywhere. Moka yangote ngixoba kodeng because of no ithule into le neyikolota. So ibatla hore le ibhadele isikoloto sayo. Or awushozi that was the day ngabona ukuthi kunzima emhlabeni ayikho izikhamu izigo ayikho ayithing anything oba ngilona. Or awushozi that was the day la ngabona khona ukuthi amadoda selfish and asicabangela wona wodwa umuntu omunye abamxamangile. Or awushozi my husband said to me now because of sesitholile imali and now sesihlala like endaweni decent, how about you sacrifice ukuthi lento lena iyenze whatever izoyenza. Not like izoyenza every day yoba into once. So you do it mina ngizozibukela ngihambe ngokushiye nayo in case if there is something like enza wrong and then you will tell me because already because explaining ukuthi izoyenza as normal as possible angeke zikulimaza angeke zikuhame and then we leave it like that and then for us ukuthi zokhona continue sisebenzisa. Or awushozi lento le ibize ukuthi ibulala umntwana kibo. Manje I'm the one who needs to sacrifice umzimba wakhe because of chelete erebileng lona uri awushozi ngasitshela ingqondo nami ngathi you know what ngizoyenza mangithola imali I will take imali makathola le mali yakhe ngithatha imali ngisibekele like for me kube my exit plan abona so angeke ngize ngisasebenzisa imali ngithi ngenza izinto zasendlini so ikho bachelete yaka hore if kitswa umuntu ukitsi or kitswa le what or awushozi lishonelanga uthi afike ke uGoslow or Goslow awushozi kube gore ke agreement phela ubatla nthweni uthi vele ngizikuthi or fihlile or awushozi bengikhala izinyembezi but nganyamezela ngoba ngikela khona emakhosi amputho ukhona nami nangathi ya uthi uGoslow wayenza whatever ayenzayo kana kameli waka adikhethela ayenza whatever ayenza that was the first time uthi everything beyenzakala like ilebeleti it wasn't got wrong or king or into enehitla erkento kintato mkhutswana awushozi kamupele or ite into ela and I like I measure umzimba yomuntu vele umuntu omdala or awushozi yayenza njalo the following day bengazizwa kahle vele at all like ukhaya decided ukuthi you know what let me take you to the doctor bayobona ukuthi uright na wabona or awushozi linyalo lakala thoma moho walistain ukuthi kwaba istain emshadweni ezange sisasuka uthi uGail thola abonga ukuthi no these things usiphilisa ungawari like I understand ukuthi kuhethile things like that but lento lezo siphilisa or awushozi after that like uthi lo muntu lo aqale vele aqala ama small businesses because I want to chill there and this thing impamandla uthi abe greedy uthi my husband aqale uba greedy abantu kwale business njengada kana kwe one uthi money was flowing in uri awusanga nje usathenga indawo uthi sakha a double story house a beautiful house sathenga izimoto sathenga ifurniture walungisa la umama ke indlu uri awushoze mothola athoma aba greedy uthi lento lesiyaqala yeza once a week iza ki direct to me or iyaqala once a week itlongira or every time yang encourage ukuthi vuma like isivumelana sethu nomakhosi do it for us my baby or nako arina ngwana awushozi like ngisemshadweni asinamntwana abantu bahlala babuza kanti imali nomntwana nibani nomntwana ilona uthi I'm thinking ukuthi into ihlondamage kaMohari ngahleke sabalingwana because of izinto zengenza zona or awushozi mina ngithisela ukuthi no what let me call my khosi and tell him ukuthi lento leseyifuna every week so like I can't, it's too much yabona iyangilimaza psychological or also actually enjoy chelete aksa enjoy going secretary aksa enjoy udula moneki dula koteng because this thing being emotion nje emotionally even physically uthi umakhosi athi angeke until at angeke izishintshe up until yona ishintsha ukuthi seyifuna something else for now when you are still the main you are still on the main. So as long as usaloko menu utlobatla mutho lo ka chaba ya ko kai ko Zimbabwe ko kai izosala emuva uzoyibona la uyakhona up until yona ize ithi no I've had enough wabona shimele sami ane ngisikhiphe sizahlubeka yabona or awushozi kube ukuthi vele singas accept isigwebo ukuthi isigwebo sami ngizosifela uthi like berena chelete to an extent ukuthi I can buy whatever I want ngangena store lesa se LV nasibona ngisho uthi ngangena ngithenge whatever I want bekina le chelete awushozi bekina le chelete but for the fact ukuthi makhosi set nanoma ngathi ngihamba ngeZimbabwe or ngiyakuphi or nya America arentula ke tloyibona and itontatela up until yona ithi I've had enough. Hayi uthi awushozi iyenze uthi hayi elinye lamalanga awushozi into elaphi uthi like ilale nami almost 6 months yonke each and every week besileke ngijwayele vele mina nomeni wami ngaleso sikhathi asahlanganyela umpet asahlanganyela izingubo umeni already nama side chick wakhe la ayakhona na I'm no longer important ki important wetlanthong elabushiyo fela okunye angisese important so umuntu ochithayo so umuntu ogijima nama 2k nake namutho udlula konhlongo or ngiyazihambela ngi1 like he doesn't even care about me but awushozeleni lamalanga silele so masilele uthi it was after bekathole this tender thing bekayithole through umngani wakhe under municipality so angazi ba hotspotana kanjani uthi wathola that tender uthi awushozi mina my husband greedy this thing like uba nemali kumenza ukuthi like asika hotsofala uthi like we had enough to sustain us for isikhathi eside, but bekangahotsofali, bekangafuni ukuthi umbaba next door or ubaba wa the next location or the next suburbs angamrule, or like bekasifuna ukuthi abe on top each and every time. Uthi awazi hayi usisi uthi one time ngilele noMazibuko ebusuku, uMazibuko athi you know what love yazi lo mlungu uyagobusa uyahlanya, so I think ukuthi lo mhlaba sufuna back, mina I'll take over everything. Uthi ngimtshela uMazibuko ukuthi uMazibuko, like you've got the lot going on your plate and already like you do have the money, so why fanele ukuthi umuke umoshe into ekusebenzelayo ungakhuphi wena only you receive money and then ends athi no mhlaba wethu lo, I can do whatever I want, lo mhlaba kahle kufana nokuthi ewami. Uyabona ngiyashisa amawika yaphuma nkosi yami. Uyabona uthi vele uMazibuko abe ku plan ukuthi ufuna uku take over the whole land ingasarani uyakubusi, athi like kuyafana ukuthi siyazi ukuthi urana kanjani and usebenza kanjani, so uyafuna lo mhlaba. Uthi ngimtshela ukuthi no what Mazibuko, lo mhlaba at least for a year and then ubone ukuthi after a year unga take over kanjani, for now leave the land. Uyabona uthi kube ukuthi hayi vele ngathi uyang-understand uyangibamba. Uthi awushozi one time sisekamareni uthi igudugudu iqali igudugudu iyaqala. Yabona uthi ngiyayizwa igudugudu naye yayizwa igudugudu, so like basically he knows ukuthi this person uzile uza kubani. Yabona uthi awushozi tsatsile ukuthi this person uGhostlu makafika akangazanga usayidi yami lo mbhede uyisayidi nakaMazibuko. And remember awushozi naku ewune, so uthi uGhostlu ayesayidile la ngaMazibuko, or awushozi naku ewone uMazibuko akasangiboni as important as I was before siya kumakhosi. Unezinto zakhe azenzayo, sometimes la endlini sometimes ngala endlini, or awushozi the only part bengizusukhlungu ukuthi mina I invested kulo mshado thinking ukuthi whatever abathi ngiyenze ngizoyenza because I'm here for a long term, angizokhatha umshado wami short because of bathu babang, but now I feel like akisaratiwa akisabatliwa. Ubona uthi but like ngibekezele because of nami nje ukuthi mangiphuma la ngifuna ukunyakotsoka lesitseki akekotwa keles like this ngiyakuzwala something ezongibuilda nami mangiyaphambili. Awushozi afike uGhostlu ame ngale side uthi manje afike akucinga amadolo, or like angisho ke side yakhe afike ngapha uthi afike akucinga amadolo, afike like aphuthe amatsogo alebelele kufathi. Uthi Mazibuko avuka ahlala ngamarahu uthi ambheke uthi angasho next uGhostlu. Yabona uthi mina ngibona ukuthi uGhostlu ubatla but I don't want to say it. Yabona uthi angifuna ukukhuluma ukuthi kahle enough kana unyaka ubano. Yabona uthi vele ngithule uthi uMazibuko naye azibala abona ukuthi mara la ngathi khona into off, athatha ifone uthi lesikhathi yabo AM yangizwa uthi athi makhosi into yakho seyangicaka ke manje ifunani. Yabona awushozi makhosi asho athi kuyasho ukuthi ifuna ini mayikucele wena, kuyasho ukuthi ifuna ini Mazibuko, isithembiso siyaqina mfowethu. Uthi asho njalo makhosi what awushozi ngibona indoda inyanya uthi like he's dark in complexion, uthi ngimbona abamnyama kakhulu anyanya athi I will never ngeke mina angisisilima ngeke. Uthi vela ngabo uthi vela aphuma ezingubeni angene emotweni ahambe, uthi makahamba so ngeca ukuthi uya ku one of the side chicks ufuna ukeka mina nalento yakhe la. Yabona uthi ahamba ngene emotweni uthi hayi mina vele ngihlela ngisho nami ngiyazibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uthi ukuthi uhamba ngibona into disappear la yikho uthi ngazi ukuthi ihambe naye la yakhona ihambe naye, or awushozi ngibone ngumuntu angifonela athi phela into lena ayilana emotweni angazi ukuthi yakufanele ngenze kanjani. Uthi ngithi ay mina wena you said to me I need to sacrifice for us, so now it's your turn to sacrifice for us, so yenza into ethi uyenze like just do it man, idlule lento le like like utoxwayela what as nani kixwayetse. Awushozi uMazibuko uthi uMazibuko leso sikhathi sikhuluma ngefone like uya drive uthi uGhostlu akakhuluma wena when you call like uzokukhombisa ama action ukuthi ufuna ini, but bawufona umakhosi umbuzo umakhosi will confirm ukuthi ufuna ini because ngathi basebenzana nge-aerial or signal liyathwarisana or the network aketsebi. Yabona uthi awushozi umuntu a drive umuntu but ushayise yena makasho makaphaphama esibhedlela uthi ushayise like something like inkomo rasinkomo ushayise endleleni and then imoto ya overturn but imoto yaba right off yena zangalimali uphume nje amsulo uphaphama sesibhedlela maqhubela mina uthi imtshele ukuthi lento le izokulimaza nesting yenza into efunayo uthi isifonela uMakhosi ngimtshela ukuthi uma Mazibuko beka involved kuka accident in uthi Mazibuko athi ngiyibonile before izoyenza into yenzekile tshela umyeni wakho aqile isithembiso owasenza nilana endombeni yami awushozi the husband makase sibedlele into leya ikhona esibedlele imgadile my husband makade sichachiwa into ihamba nathi emotweni imgadile or awushozi mothwadi zoko sofong ndu idziko sofong imgadile mawesikhathi sokulala ufika iguqa phansi igocizana ebheka phansi ilindile ukuthi kiyemetsi nithweke ibaklami please give it to me or awushozi uMazibuko azangafuna ukushintsha ingqondo like he was like no I'm not going to do it uthi wala uthi umuntu lo urole nga 3 years imoto but yena ngalimali but izimoto za destroyeka zonke zamosheka umuntu angalimali baqala ngoba nokuthi kuyadutshulwana ku business le afakele mngani wakhe wasengamasipali ngoba sekuba nama cases uMazibuko wakwa involved lapho so hamba icala Makhosi called Mazibuko ukuthi if ever awugcina isithembiso into yakho izoshabalala yonke at everything izoba imess so it's up to you ukuthi ufuna ugcina isithembiso or yonke into yakhe yashabalala or this thing yofika to a point ukuthi iyanyanya ukuthi uyayiuser mara una ufuna ukuthi la ikusebenzise and then izokubulala so you need to choose you've got 2 choices so choose wisely Mazibuko was like mina angisilapho I'm not going to do that angeke ngize ngivume or awushozi eningilanga siyahamba uthi masihamba like bemile usohlangana noYakobosi the guy the white guy uyenza usebenzisa le ntetho uthi sifanele sihlangana naye uthi Montserrat akasalele emini ba uthi awushozi ikhona emotweni uthi manje into lesihamba nathi everywhere abantu abayiboni but thina the two of us we can see it uthi khona emotweni awushozi ngigcine mina imoto iqhokana irola mina ngiphaphama esibedlele my husband unfortunately azanga khona ukuphila yabe so yashona just like that asingashayisanga imoto but imoto isuyarola nje bokudriver my husband died sa prepare funeral hajela uMakhosi was like I saw everything bala ngimtshela umyeni wakho abengafuni lalela so take the results awuqolle uthi ngamngcwaba umyeni ngaqeda then I went to Makhosi bengicela lento le uyithathe back if it's possible Makhosi was like you know what if ufuna into uyithathiwe back akusi possible but we can try to take it back because initially ibize umyeni wakho ngabizanga but now we're part of the contract yalento le so it's up to you ukuthi now are you willing to sacrifice ezinye izinto ukuthi ihambe or when are you willing to uphile nayo for the rest of your life or awushozi mangibona ukuthi izinto sizashabalala one by one ngathi decide you know what I'm going to keep lento le uGoslow uzohlala nami uGoslow sengimjwayele uGoslow sophilisana mina naye or awushozi I've got all the money in the world akena mona banna bampahle banna bampulidisi akekho into engibhekayo ngathi babona isilwane the sad part ukuthi ngiyafuna ukuthi nami ngibe nomuntu empilweni yami but unfortunately I can't because of nginendoda eyam ezibusuku ifika uguqa I know what to do so uthi mina the only thing ukuthi ngishare story sami ukuthi abantu abangayithathi lento don't take it because if you take it it's impossible to turn it back and if ungayithatha igreed yokwenza ukuthi ungasafuna ukubela la uqale khona or bina ngile position angeke ngiphinde ngibele la ngiqale khona impilo yami it's great emini but ebusuku or when I'm alone endlini anginangani I won't have a child izinto ngizimukele but it's difficult because you cannot be 100% yourself because each and every time uhambe emotweni so two claps ubona Goslow hlele emotweni or zothuthu somewhere makafuna ukuthi uye endlini thuthu semcimini somewhere uthi uzombona apart kwabantu it's to sign for you to go home uthi uyacontroliwa, uba ngathi i-robot ucontrola into engaphili si-create thina ngoba sithanda imali. So I'm trying to share my story ukuthi people need to watch out ukuthi lezi zinto lezi masibona ngathi ziyabasebenzela abantu, ziyaba-abuser, they are not enjoying. So please watch out. Akinamlomo shem.